Hello guys, and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how can you fix family information is not available, trusted devices list is not available. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video till the end. So guys, here I will give you some solutions which can help you to fix your problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to restart your device first. So guys, restart your device and see if the problem is solved or not. So guys, restart your device and check. After this guys, the second solution to this problem is that you will have to sign out your Apple ID and then you will have to sign in again to fix your problem. So guys, open settings, tap on your profile and then scroll it below and then tap on sign out. Give your password and sign it off. So guys, after signing it off, you will have to sign in again to fix your problem. So guys, see your problem if it is fixed. So guys, after this, the other solution for this problem is that check your software updates. So guys, open settings, then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software updates. So guys, here you will have to check whether your software is updated or not. So guys, make it sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. After this guys, go back. So guys, the other solution for this problem is that you will have to reset settings. So guys, you will have to reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, open setting and then tap on general, scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. So guys, tap again on reset for settings. So guys, give your passcode and see if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, the final solution to this problem is that you will have to contact Apple Support official. So guys, after this, the final solution to this problem is that you will have to contact Apple Support. So guys, open Safari, tap your support.app.com. Here it is. So guys, select your device, scroll it below, all the way and tap on get Apple Support. So guys, here you can get any support from the Apple official. So guys, you can call them and you can also send them messages to fix your problem. So guys, hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.